Assess once, comply to many. That's the core guiding principle of the ControlCase One Audit solution. Organizations are increasingly required to comply with multiple security standards and regulations. Managing these audits individually poses a number of challenges for a business, including increased costs, complexity, and time, as well as possible repetition of efforts. One Audit enables organizations to perform these audits in parallel, performing a single audit to comply with multiple regulations. Blending software solutions, automation, and managed services, ControlCase's One Audit solution streamlines the creation, mapping, and updating of internal and external controls, all through our concise and proprietary questionnaire. This empowers IT security and compliance managers to collect evidence once, to satisfy multiple regulations, reduce preparation and execution time, lower compliance costs, and reduce audit fatigue. To learn more about One Audit's features and how it revolutionizes compliance, download our detailed datasheet via the link in the description, or visit www.controlcase.com.